Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Mommy. She has an announcement.
This definitely is not my foundation color. This shit, I look like a damn ghost. I look horrible, like a person that just started wearing makeup.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
But I'm gonna make it look like something. Leave it alone. This is the foundation that I have on right now. This is in the color
Elf.
Cinnamon. Yeah, this is by the brand Elf, but I don't know why the hell I thought it was cinnamon. I ain't cinnamon, so yeah.
Go back to the town.
Come on, child.
Tomorrow.
I love you. I love you too, Mommy.
This is the best thing happened last night. 2 float stink.
Alright, so I'm about to just go over this with my favorite foundation. I got it upside down because, you know, I'm running out right now. I wanted to play cute and try something new with this Elf foundation. I should have just stuck to what I know, which is Maybelline 350. What helped this? Yeah, now this
Now it looks
look like
color.
the rest of
Love the color.
yeah, we got some.
Now it transforms.
Got some color coming in.
Now it's kind of like a transformer. So if it don't look right, going
Listen,
up.
can y'all just let me be
Bump.
great? Come on, you need some movement. Let me use my mirror.
Hey,
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
look at Mommy's eye.
Dude, what are you doing in the camera?
Say hello.
You're like both. I don't say Mario in Spanish. Madrio.
Yo, you making up your own words.
No.
You dead be making up your own words talking about some Madrio. Like you is
Madrio.
funny.
Trio.
It's like you saying mad real. That's what it sounds like you saying.
Madrio.
Alright, this looks way
Mario.
better.
Better.
Mario.
Ding 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 ding. See how many kilometers. You know it says.
Hey,
Oi! Oi! Oi!
Make that better and get in it. Thank you.
I know it's the way.
donkey.
Actually, you know that please? A sheep. The sheep. Actually, it's a goat. You have to go. It's a goat. Keeping your pinky finger where are you? Here I am, I'll do you. She said I can keep it forever. So it's my stuff now.
Okay, chicken.
My body.
Four.
Real full, baby.
4.
700 hours.
Don't like you.
Ow!
I can't hear you. Why am I adding breath? Mommy. You're actually adding brown.
Listen, go get some tissue for your dirty nose.
Okay.
a dish for my brother.
Hey guys. So my outfit. So actually clean.
All of it is good.
Like this.
What are you doing?
No! Get! Ah! No, are they two?
Welcome.
Oh, that's fine.
Get them! Nom 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 nom.
Get them! Get your chart.
like the both of y'all. Like,
What?
you in my video, he in my video. Like, what's up?
That's good. Well, we don't be in the videos. Last time we wasn't in
You
the
need
video.
to stop. You always in my video.
I was in your video last night.
Why are you playing with my
Hello
makeup?
guys!
Hello.
So it's Mommy's video. And Mommy
We
don't
should be
want,
asleep, but we're not sleep because we can't sleep.
so I don't want to be in this video, but I don't want us to be in this video.
But obviously you're in it, right?
That's the only thing that matters. That she got us in the video. Come on.
He got us in the video.
Leave my hair alone.
What?
I'm over y'all.
I
For
know
real.
this- Yeah, so yeah, you don't get.
I love it.
Leave my hair alone. Okay, y'all not doing nothing but messing with my hair, clearly.
I would do a braid for you.
Well, you don't even know how to braid. Boy,
It sounds like tying.
these y'all kids just don't leave me
I
alone.
got it.
We can't. Something that may happen to you.
Nothing gonna happen to me, child. Oh, Joseph, tell them what happened with your tooth and what the tooth fairy left you.
So I pulled my tooth out. I put it under my pillow. And guess how much I got?
Tell them how much.
Drum roll, please. I
$100
got 100.
from the tooth fairy. No, Aiden, it's not happening.
I want it.
No. No, you're too big for all that. Excuse you. Yes, so Joseph got some money from the tooth fairy. So are you buying your mother something with that $100 you got from the tooth fairy?
Yeah, I'm buying Oli or something.
Oh, your brother about to treat us to something.
So,
Oh.
are you gonna get me a 4-day blaster and a Spider-Man blaster? Are you?
I guess.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Everything you want for Christmas, I'm gonna buy you.